Well, hello there. Let's make some oatmeal for breakfast. So I have 3 cups of water. I'm going to pour that into my pot. So I have 6 dates here. I've removed the pits and I'm going to be blending that. So straight into my blender. I'm also going to peel my banana and add that in. Just break it. I'm going to add about a cup of water to blend. Dates really thickens up when you blend it, so you want to make sure you have enough water to help blend it. Water has come to a boil. I'm going to stir in 1 cup of rolled oats. Just going to keep stirring until it starts thickening up. I'm using the banana and the date so I don't have to use any sweetness. Date is very sweet, so that's all you need in there. It's going to give me that energy. You know, breakfast, you want some energy that will last you throughout the day. So you don't want to spike your blood sugar or anything. You're just going to use natural sugars. That's what I use most of the time. All right, so I'll pour this in here. And now I'm just going to turn down my heat a little bit so it just takes its time to simmer and thicken up. Just rinsed my blender. You don't want to miss anything. I always like to put just a little bit of salt in my oatmeal, so a pinch, definitely consider a pinch. This helps, you know, so that you just not taste the overpowering sweetness, but it balances out the taste a lot better. So just a little bit of salt if you want it in there. And we're just going to let this simmer down, soften and thicken up. Oatmeal is perfectly cooked at this point. This is actually quick cooking rolled oats, so it doesn't take that long. Time to serve. Add some blueberries. Now I'm going to top it with some milk. And now you know what time it is. This is very sweet with no sugar in there, just the dates and the banana. And if you're trying to get low sugar meal, this is perfect for you. So good. I hope you try this.